Hello and welcome. In this session, we are going to learn how to make a website on Weebly.com. Once you log into Weebly, this is what your dashboard would look like. This is your dashboard, and if you are on Weebly for the first time, you would get I have some options like edit site. You would get some option like get a new site or make site, add site. Okay, the option would be like add site. And if you already are using Weebly, you would get an option over here. Okay, add site. You just have to look for this option add site from where you would like to start creating your new website. So I click here add site. Okay, so this is the starting point where we would be making a new website. Okay, now you have these two options. I need a website with an online store. So we would just require a basic website. So select this option. I just need a website. Okay, now themes. Is it business or portfolio, personal, event, blog, coming soon? What is it? Okay, primarily, let us say we are creating a website for our business. So I like to keep things very simple. So which one should we select? Okay, let us select this one. Okay, so once you select that theme, okay, you already get a basic website. Okay, this is how your basic website looks like. So this is the basic template we are using. Okay, and here you have your home, services, about, news, and contact. These are the pages of your website. Now you can start editing. Okay, make it customized for your requirement. So click on start editing. Okay, now this is your editor pane. It takes time to load. Now the first thing that you have to do is select your domain name. So I don't want to purchase a domain. So what exactly we need to do is we are going for a subdomain. Okay, so let's see. Let the page load properly. Okay, so let's see. Let us say I'm creating a website for some pets. Let us say pets and vets. We don't need spaces. Okay, pets and vets dot weebly dot com. Let us search for it. Okay, now these are the things that are already available, so I can select any of them. It's a subdomain pets and vets. Now see, when you're talking about professional domain, so these are the things that you will have to purchase. These are a 1 year plan. So pets and webs vets.weebly.com, it's unavailable. So we will have to make some changes. Okay, you have to make it a bit ugly. Now just see pets and vets 12 dot. Now I'm searching for this. Probably this should be available because catchy names will never be available for free. So pets and vets 12 is available. So let's choose this. Okay, subdomain setup complete. So your website is petsandvets12.weebly.com. So done. Okay. So they want us to reload the editor. Okay. Once all these things are set up, almost your website is done. Now what is left is just your creativity and customization. Okay. Now just see. You have various options. These are the building options. Now, title of your website, you can just, these are various. Okay. Now just see. This is your title. Okay. Now, if I just want to change my title, you just have to, it's just drag and drop. Okay. I just drag this style and put it over here and just modify pets and pets. Okay. You want to change this text, let us say, you just have to drag and drop this here. Okay. Change it. Okay. Bring your pets here. Okay. So whatever you want, like you want to change the image, let us say. Okay. You just have to drag this and put it over here, and it gives you the option to change your image. Okay. Now this, you can just upload an image. You can delete any image. Okay. Edit. Okay. You can replace. You can do everything with the images. Okay. So right now I've just selected the option of editing the image. Okay. So whatever you want, you can do with your image. If you want to replace or change, okay, click on it, you get this replace, so you can replace the image. Okay. So you can upload something from the computer, you can search on the internet, do whatever you want. Okay. So it's quite simple. So the point is, whatever you want to do. Okay. Now for instance, I need a slideshow. Okay. I want to remove this right now. Delete. Yeah. Okay. Rather than a picture, I need a slideshow. Just one second, let it load. Okay. Now you want a slideshow, just drag and drop it. You get a slider option. Okay. Simple slideshow, which kind of slideshow you want, just select that. Okay. Slideshow, actually I don't prefer on a website because it makes the website heavy, increases the loading time. Okay. Okay. You can include any of these maps, contact forms, all these things you can include in your website. Okay. So this is the build option. Then come to the pages option. Okay, these are the various pages that you have. If you want to change any page, if you want to remove any page, okay, you can do it right here. So for example, let us say this is home, fine, services. Rather than services, I would like to say products, but this is a pet and vet. Okay, anyway, let us see. Okay, I want to add a page, let us say for products. Just click over here, a standard page. Okay, I would like to add a standard page. Okay, and that is products. Okay, so this is my new page. I say done. Now you can see I have a new page for products. Got it? Okay, if you want to just reposition, so you have this square. The moment you get this square, you can alter the positions. You can drag it, you can put it anywhere. Okay, now let us say Okay, for instance, let us say I don't want this news. Okay, this is a page which I don't want. So just click on it. Okay, you have an option called delete. Okay, so you can delete that page. Simple. Okay, now let us say you want to make a sub page, let us say. Okay, now let us see, I want to make a standard page. Let us call the page gallery. Okay, done. But I want this page to be the sub page of products. Okay, just come here, get this plus sign, drag it, and you can see if you keep this completely like this, it is a normal page. But if you just keep an indent, this becomes a sub page of products. Okay, so this is how it works. This is the concept of pages. Okay, so again the same thing, go to any of the page. Once it loads, you start editing. Okay, so this is how you build your pages. It's taking a lot of loading time, but okay, this is how you start building. Okay, you open the page, go to build, again the same thing. Okay, just drag and drop and start working on them. Clear? Then you have this theme, whichever theme you would like to change. Okay, you want to change the theme, you can select a lot of themes. Right now the internet is quite slow, so I would try to avoid that. Okay, just you can change your theme, font, and all the look and feel. Okay, store, here you can make some purchases, you can add some store information, add items. Okay, right now we are not creating a e-commerce website, so don't bother about all these things, just make a simple thing. So next, come to apps. Some of the apps would be paid, some of the apps would be okay free. Okay, so most of this, you can see most of the apps that you see get social. Yeah, you can add these, but we'll come to that, not a big deal. So just see whichever app is suitable for your website, include them. I'm just, my objective is to help you make a basic website. Now come to these settings. Okay, now in the settings page you can see pets and bits, this is your site address, site title, whatever title you want to give. See, all these, the moment you come here, all these become very important for your SEO, because all these things, when you're giving a title, you need to have a good description. Okay, it should have good keywords, but at the same time, again, titles are not lengthy. Site category, what is it? Business. SSL is the security. Okay, enabled, fine, good. And favicon is the theme. Site password, if you want to protect the password, protect your site with a password, you can just set a password. Navigation. Okay, archives, site formatting, date format, time zone, whatever you want to check. Cookie notification. Okay, cookie banner, you want to choose customize, whatever you want, authorize AdSense. Okay, so paste the ads txt content, unpublish. So these are the various settings. Okay, this is how your site looks and operates. These are the general things. Then you have your SEO. Okay, I'll discuss about SEO in the next video. So right now, using this video, build your website first. Okay, because a longer video, you may not be in a position to complete all the tasks. So the first task is make your website and then get back to me. Thank you.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.